everyone. So, nurse na ako galit. So, makanta kami sa mong sama na. So, kapatiman ka mga nurse na ako. Grabe sa Lord. Well, makanta kami sa mong sa Manila. Ito ka sa nagtin. Okay? Gift na naman ng ta. So, mga witness yun sa vlog ko. Ang meet up ni Eugene sa young girlfriend. Lang. Kasi ako, yun nga third wheel. Ay, fifth wheel. Tapos naman ang tata daw. So, here's me. Someone in Chinchin, if you're watching this, you better keep watching. Love y'all. Alright, ako. Say hi to my vlog. Oh my gosh, copyright, copyright. Kapatid ka man nga RN ako. Hi. Wala na. Wala bali 1 week kung mag-smile.
Sobra ano din.
Tapos gagobra na ako doon.
Gin-remind ko sa realidad.
Gusto na sad ka na doon. Ay, ma-ship out ko na ako yung uniform. Ganda diba? Bila ko naman nurse aid, white. Ay, grabe sa Lord. Mabakal ko nang namiyan pa naman ko sa color nga nabibili ko. Thank you, Lord. Pero hindi ko namiyan yung color black ang sapatos. Ako na gusto ko may shade of white. Nurse ka na? Ay, grabe sa Lord. Wala na. Hi guys, so here na sa airport. Here's me. Hello, brother. And we're gonna go na sa sulod. Kami siyang tinaas. See you later, maybe after, or kami sa sulod. Or na kami sa boarding gate area naman. See you later. Mag-board na kami later. Say hi to my vlog, Jen. Hey. And here's me.
Never decide. Begin weather permitting. There's a time arrival. The 50 minutes past 9 in the morning. For your Korea's time now is 9:07.
We have a friend. We have a friend. Wala ko dala kay Disney Princess ko. So, dugay famous ako sa YouTube. Nausang ako nga, kita ko, hindi ako nga scars pa. Whatever. So, mga madalada, disclaimer lang sa mga madalada sa kong video, sorry, kay hindi ko pa afford nga bayaran ka mo, kaya hindi ko kabalo mag-edit. So, kung nadala ko sa video ko, shoutout nyo na lang yung family nyo. Chares.
Dapat ako na lang.
Wala ka lang
Ara sa kuya.
Dapat ako na lang.
Ano kaya kayo?
para sa kita ka ako sa
Oo, sala yun na.
nakita na to sa vlog, at least makadala ko. So, here's our first meal here in MOA. Ramen. We're gonna eat na. So, dito na sa hotel. Ano ganyan hotel lang? One Pacific Place. Only one. Try. So, it's me. It's me, myself, and I against this world full of strangers. You can lose sight of it, sure. Gawin po. Hi guys, so it's my first meeting with Saya girlfriend, long time girlfriend. Oh my gosh! Jin, talong ba? Jin?
Yeah, sa sinyo.
I know, yes.
Karoon lang ka mo ka na.
Ako sa
Hindi kami magsabay si mo.
Hindi, layo lang kami ganyan.
Layo lang kami. Unang ka lang, hindi kami magsabay si mo nga mapas lang kami si mo.
Oo, layo ka lang, mga 1 kilometer.
Din ka mo lang, Piao.
Una na. So, nag-meet up na mangon ko. Nag-meet up na mamot ko. Ano reaction? Mga wala yata gisugtan.
Oo, ka.
So proud of Eugene for becoming the man that you are right now. Right now, like mga 4:07. Kinakilig ko, Chaska. Please like and subscribe para mag 37 subscriber na ako. Okay, second mukbang here. Answer to Eugene and Chaska. So, di ba ko din kakilala sa mga vlog today? No one knows me here. Except these two. Pinakita ko kasi yung outfit ako, manisama ko, it's a thing. So, makadala kami dito guys. Ice skating in a few minutes.
Nakita ko.
So, bali din tagoy sa unang migaya kay nahadlok sa guro nga mabasa din si Eugene. Ari siya, oh. Oh, ganda. Nalata ko, be. Chaska, hello. Thank you for watching my vlogs and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Please click the notification bell so you can see your face being shown sa aking thumbnail. Face reveal! Hello, welcome to the family, Chaska. I love you to the stars and back. Hello guys, so i-face reveal ko ng LDR girlfriend sa mga mag-vlog.
Ate,
Sino siya? Okay lang, binibidyo ko kayo. Paano maglakat ang mga penguin? Pak, pak, pak. Kunin mo na ang lahat sa akin. Ready na ba ang lahat mag-hike sa Mount Everest?
wala ka ay nag-video.
Yes. Say hi to my vlog. Please like and subscribe. Hi guys.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in that situation. Well, hello
guys. Kailan ko ba di matumat yun guys? Secured. Hi, so I'm a solo girl in this world full of strangers. For dapat may nainay ako, kaya kagina natumban ako. So, not gonna do it twice. So nice, so cold here. Sa mga nanonood, please like and subscribe. I'm gonna try it out. Cheers! You see that? Joyride with my Sizzy. You got it right. To my siblings, she's my personal chauffeur. So guys, update pala ka mo. Napasama ko sa English, foreigner. So, ambay ko na, ambay na. Do you want me to take a picture of you guys? Ambay ko na, oh sure, yes. Ambay na tayo nung so, picture niyo na kami. So, I want to be a good Samaritan. So I said, do you want me to take a picture of you as well? And then he said, he was thinking about the other person he's with. So, ayun, I told him, do you want to take a picture here, the same spot? He said, okay. And then he said, oh, you know what? It's okay. Enjoy, just have fun. So ayun, I didn't get the chance to take a picture of him and his other friend. But you know, nice to talk to other people as well. Yeah, so that's it. That's my story. Be a good person. So be good so that good things will come back to you. Poetic! Yun lang. Dahil ko sinasabi. Yun lang. Wala na akong ka-helmet. Kaya kabaw. Sa ilang helmet. Ito kaka-distract ko. Kaya imbis nga, ma-focus ko mo. Hindi ko makabaligid. Kaya may baho. Di nga side. So, yeah, that's the reason why I don't wear a helmet. I'm not wearing a helmet right now. the way, ilang naka-beach guys sila nag-picture sa nag-picture sa bus. Sumuko lang na notice nga ako na lang nagalibilin. Kaya nagguwa na sila. Ano ba? So katuan ta nga mga abyan yung nagguwa na. Grabe na to. Iniwan nila ako mag-isa. Ano bang masasabi ninyo na nandito na kayo sa Manila po? Masaya po ba kayo na nandito kayo ngayon? Cheska, ang aking bang tono, parang Tagalog talaga. Parang totoo naman talaga ang balita. Yung mga Ilongga, parang ang ganda magsalita. Saan ba may... So, alam ko naman paano mag-Tagalog, guys. I'm just playing. Tagalog! Myra, payag ganyan. Kunin na. Guys, okay guys, video taking, picture taking, passport, boyfriend, pa. The artist. And here's me. And here's them. Okay. Thank you po. We're gonna eat na. Part 3. So, hello everyone. I'm gonna tour you around sa room naman. Gawa lang ko kabot from our first day mukbangers. And I'm so tired. I feel like I'm an old person. But anyways, I'm gonna show you. So by the way, this is my OOTD. I changed into my sleepers na. So this is my OOTD.
From the entrance, you get to see the room and the beds. So you have 2 beds, and then here's your mirror. And then you also have these, and this mini fridge that has a lot of things going inside. Pero it would charge you if you consume any of those, so we're not going to be touching any of those. And then here's the bed, my brother's and mine's, and then this is our one luggage. Both of our things are here, and then a little table there, and then we also have a good view of Manila! Yeah, look at that! It's actually so nice. Sorry. But my camera is just not giving... Oh, you can see it here. Back. Diba? So nice. It's giving city life. And then, by the way, we're on the 20th floor. Story time. Ang pin, my pin location to spend on the front entrance. Or what you call this. Basta somewhere nga, hindi ka kasulod kaya may barricade. Wala sa dalan, from dalan to the hotel itself. May barricade sa dalan, so you can't like cross lang. So kung din-drop ka to sa imo angkas, well, you basically have to walk around the building kay from here ang ilang front entrance, and then ilang entrance nga pwede ka kasulod is sa back side wherein pwede mo tong car makalabay. But ang nakapin sa location naman is ang back side. So din-drop ko to ka angkas. And then nagkamala ko, nagkamasa sa sidewalk lang, blah blah blah. Ewan ko, actually dito siya sidewalk sa bike lane. Sabi na sa bike lane, gawin sa tani, wala din may madakop sa kay wala tayo nagbayad. So anyways, ang nagtiyog ko. Pero fun experience. But I like my hair. It's giving not so straight, but not so gamo. So not done with that room tour. And then we also have TV there. And then they have a good bathroom right here. Okay, we're gonna turn on a good toilet and everything. Mirror and everything malinis. And then they have a good shower also. They have a head shower, blah. Oh, nice. I'm gonna be needing that tomorrow. And then that's pretty much it. Ako na isa kaya ako nilamod. Yung paulay ko. So, ang mga i-answer ko na yung picture nga na ako yung first ever angkas experience. Which is so nice. Kay isang nabalan ko yung angkas ha. Gusto ko na i-try one day kay kabalo ko nga traffic sa Manila. So, gusto ko sa i-try. And finally, I did experience it today. So, here's the picture of me. Just may selfie lang. Kaya doon ako yung mag-video nga sa pag-drive. So, kaya sa pants kaya ka. It's giving, who is she? Pa. Anyway, so that's it for today's video. I'm gonna add more to this video compilation tomorrow because we're gonna go to Binondo and also may isa pag-ipin na lipat ko pa ng malan. Basta something pa sa mga comment right. Pero ka mga what do you call this? No, ka mga likes and everything. So, see you tomorrow. Thanks so much for keeping up with me. See you, guys. See you, Jenner. sila. Like, hindi siya super boxy. Aral sa kilid ako. The Big Design, The Give Life. Aral siya na. Dahil mo na. So, kagtaman ako ka-GGSS. By the way, my stops to Subong is 9,883. What a good day. A really good day. So, see you tomorrow. Bye. I love you all.